What's going on, guys? It's Picsoleated. It's really early. It's really early in the morning.
6:30. What time is it? 6:30 in the morning. About to undead stock our lawn chairs that we bought at Walmart.
No one's in lawn chairs here, but we're like the only ones.
Long nail struggles.
So we're at the TDE pop-up. The lineup's not that bad right now.
Chairs.
We're undressing the lawn chairs.
We're gonna be here. Release is 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
We have about 3.5 hours. We came mad prepared. Nuts. Without any food. So we got our McGriddles on deck. Breakfast. Okay, wait, this is yours.
Orange juice, that's mine.
But yeah,
that's also my food. This is her apple juice.
What's the line looking like?
Line's not bad. I already filmed it, yeah.
Oh, you did? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like maybe 20, 30 deep at most.
We're in the wave runners. We're in the Addy color.
I'm not branded.
Red toes
except for the guapi pants.
Guapi video.
Guapi video coming soon. They sent me a bunch of stuff. Alright. Yeah. Hypebeast mukbang. We're doing a Hypebeast mukbang in the camp out. Check it out. It's it's capital M on the bun. Got the hype sneaks.
What do you guys think of the McGriddles?
Leave it in the comments below.
Good morning to you guys.
Good morning. Good morning.
So I know
I'm cutting this out.
Late to the...
Okay, fine. We don't need to subscribe. They know. They know.
I'm talking to the fans.
All right. Thank you for talking to the fans though, because I'm not doing it right now.
It's TDE, Kendrick.
Oh, okay. Yeah. God damn it. I was getting the recording ready. You could have just been like, yo, I was joking.
Oh. Why is it me?
It's because I would have said it, but I was.
And you were ready to.
Yeah, I had to set the camera up, so I was waiting.
He was a better victim. Oh, did you have it playing?
So Miley Cyrus's shoes.
Miley Cyrus?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
You know Miley Cyrus?
Yeah.
Her shoes.
Oh, her shoes.
No, I'm just it's Kendrick Lamar. Do you know Kendrick Lamar? He's a rapper.
Okay.
Yeah. Miley Cyrus thing was a joke.
Tickets?
No, it's just his clothing, yeah. Merch and shoes.
Nice.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Terrible victim. We're here for Kathleen Wynn.
Oh, Kathleen Wynn. This is for
Kathleen Wynn merch. We're near the front.
About to get in.
Yeah.
We gonna show you guys the merch.
That's right. We're gonna show you all the merch.
After
we're gonna go eat.
4 hours.
Yeah.
3.5 hours.
3.5 hours. Not bad, not bad.
We're gonna eat. Guys, what's your opinion? The Cortezes, do you think they're... Comment down below.
Cinder blocks. Got the goods.
Got him.
Got him.
Merch. Fat bag.
Take the bag of merch. Got the goods. We caught the good stuff. I'll show you after, but right now we're eating. Yeah, dirty bird.
I'm gonna eat that.
Gotta eat.
It's parched.
Are you excited?
So excited.
We're gonna let them know how the food is.
It's on a skewer. It's like a
want to see if baby approves. Do you approve? Baby's hungry. Alright, so we just ate our food. What did you think?
A+. Delicious. Nice and crispy. Thick amount of chicken. Nice and boneless, so it's easy to eat. Maple butter sauce, maple syrup, pure maple syrup, and the mac salad.
Mac salad. I'm gonna go show you guys the merch now. Alright guys, there's the merch cop for today. Just a preview.
Guys.
P has to take her stuff, so I'm just showing you guys before she's out of here. Big size Cortez. Facts. Alright. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, we were just at the Kendrick Lamar TDE pop-up at Livestock in Toronto. Of course, you know what it is. We got a chance to buy Kendrick Lamar and TDE merch. The Kendrick Lamar merch was in collaboration with Nike. So it's incredible to actually get merch that is printed on a quality brand like Nike, as opposed to, you know, the usual Gildan that you'll find at other pop-ups, no shade thrown. Kanye pretty much made it popular, but most artists really do use cheap brands to print their merch on. But thankfully, this is printed on Nike, which is really why I really wanted to get this merch. Also because I'm a huge Kendrick fan and a TDE fan. Schoolboy Q is one of my favorite artists. I was on like 2 hours of sleep, guys, so sorry if I didn't sound very enthusiastic during the video. I got a little bit of rest, so I have a little more energy now. Did see a little fuckery in line, but well, what are you gonna do? There's not much you can do. Heavy security. We took our lawn chairs. We had to take the lawn chairs back to the car because apparently no lawn chairs allowed in line for whatever reason. I have no idea. All right, so let's get into what I copped. We're gonna start off small. I copped a Damn hat, Nike, one size. It's a little strap back. It's made of a light, I would call this a mesh, some sort of mesh, or actually, this has that ripstop material pattern on it. So this might be made of ripstop, which is cool because ripstop is that material it's really thin, but it's very protective, it's very sturdy and rigid. This will not break anytime soon, unless of course the stitching goes off. Very cool piece of merch, red and white colorway. It's got an embroidered Nike swoosh, and instead of it saying Nike on top, it says Damn, and it's embroidered. And we have a reflective 3M hit saying TDE Nike to let you know this is Top Dog Entertainment, ladies and gentlemen. Also, for those of you that keep the stickers on your hats, take them off, man. They don't look good when you keep them on. Plus, if you leave them on long enough, you're gonna get one nice clean patch of untouched hat, while the rest of it has a little bit of dirt on it or a little bit of a shade, and it just doesn't look good. Let it even out, ladies and gentlemen. And the strap has a nice rubber Nike swoosh patch, which is the first I've seen on a hat. I haven't bought a new hat in a while, so if I'm prehistoric and this is a common thing now, my apologies, but it is a Heritage 86 hat. So if you know which model that is, you'll know exactly how this fits. It's got a curved brim, pretty much a dad cap. Pretty simple, you know what it is. On to the next one. The next item I got, the red Kendrick Damn long sleeve. I was really deciding between whether I should get a red long sleeve or a white long sleeve or a black long sleeve. And to be honest, the more I saw the black long sleeve, the more I was turned away from it, just because it didn't seem like it stood out much. Just the design on it. If you're buying something pricey and you're lining up for hours to get it and you're paying a premium at the same time, you'd better hope it'd be something nice that stands out. So I had to get the red long sleeve. I got it in an XL, so it looks huge right now. It is cotton, so it'll shrink a little. They were telling us that the hoodie fits kind of small, and they were telling everybody to size up on that. So we kind of took the same approach with the shirts. You know, it's always better to be safe than sorry. I would rather have the shirt fitting a little large as opposed to fitting a little too small. So I bought this in an XL, even though I usually buy a large. You can check it out. It's got the Chinese characters. I still don't know what it says, but everyone tells me it's probably the Chinese version of damn. So if that's a thing, if there are Chinese characters that spell the word damn, let me know, guys, because I still have no idea what it says, and I usually don't like buying shirts that have Chinese characters or characters from different languages and I don't know what it means. So please let me know so I don't feel like a dunce. And if that's what it means, then awesome, because then I know what it means. But as it stands, I don't know for sure. So these Chinese characters, it seems that they're printed on and they have a second layer of rubber on top of them, this texturized rubber. Whatever texture you see here, you can sort of feel it. There's a horizontal rubberized stripe right here separating the damn Nike swoosh, and the Chinese text. And then we have TDE's logo right here and the Nike logo right here. These are like a rubberized print as well, while the damn Nike logo is the only thing that's just printed on. Now the cool thing about this merch is what they have on the sleeve, these stars right here. I don't really know the definition of this just yet. If this is a TDE thing, I'm really sorry guys. I'm not into the symbolism like that. Actually, I would like to know what this means. So if you know, let me know in the comments. But every time I see a photo of the merch and someone wearing it, I always see this and it's always standing out. So I really like this. Now I didn't know this, but on the back of the shirt, it has a screened image on the back, ladies and gentlemen. It's of two people giving daps. There's two people pounding each other. You know, dapping it up, greeting each other in the streets probably. And I think that's really cool. I mean, it's obviously relatable. My friends and I always give each other dabs, and you used to do it more in high school or in university. Not as much now, but you know, when you see the old homies, you always dap them up. So it's very relatable. Although it's probably sort of more supposed to be a symbolism for LA and LA culture or something like that. But it's relatable nonetheless. We have TDE and Nike branding. Oh, and I didn't even catch this. More Chinese text and print on the right sleeve, and finally trademark Nike patch on the bottom left of the shirt. It's printed on, but it's got TDE Nike branding. I do want to say though, this is really thick print. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels like it's 20 layers just layered on. All right, on to the next item. Next we got the white long sleeve. If you remember earlier, I was telling you I was deciding between the red long sleeve, the white long sleeve, and the black long sleeve. I was only gonna buy one, but then I just couldn't decide, so I decided to get both. I got the white long sleeve and the red long sleeve. The white long sleeve is pretty much the same thing, same screen print on the back. The only difference I really see is that the stripe is a different color, it's red instead of gray. The damn swoosh branding all over the shirt is black instead of white. Pretty much anything that was white on the other shirt is black on this one. And that's about it really. On to the next. The next item is this bad boy right here. It is the damn hoodie, the red damn hoodie in XL once more. This is the item that they said fits kind of small, so I bought it in an XL. Very nice quality actually, really good material. This is what I like to see in merch. Looking back at it, I did line up for the Pablo pop-up way back, Kanye's pop-up during his Pablo tour. And what's really kind of bothering me right now is just remembering the fact that the hoodies from that pop-up were pretty much maybe slightly cheaper, but almost the same price as how much these ones were. And those were Gildan hoodies. They really weren't the same quality. This is proper Nike quality, really nice, really soft. You can tell the material is durable Nike material. And it's just hurting my soul to remember that the pricing was almost the same thing. You can see it's got the damn Nike swoosh, really huge, really prominent on the chesticle area of the hoodie. We've got Top Dog Entertainment branding in gray print. Got a nice little hand warming pouch. We've got the Soundwave design at the bottom. We've got the Nike TDE patch on the left sleeve and a stripe with the Nike swoosh printed as well. And we've got the Chinese characters on the hood. This is gonna look really cool once I have the hood on. Nothing snazzy on the back, so we're just gonna get rid of this now. And finally, the last item of the day. It is obviously the Nike Cortez, the Nike Kenny Cortez. Kendrick Lamar's third Cortez, I believe, with Nike. Comes in a really clean white box. We've got the damn swoosh logo branding on the top. Everything else is pretty clean. Got a couple, you know, a little bit of writing, you know what that, whatever that is, who really cares. Cortez Kenny, you can check out the sizing tab. Slide this out. Got nice red tissue paper with palm trees symbolizing LA, probably palm trees from LA, and other cool LA images on it. I think there was an Impala or old school American muscle car picture on there as well. Bam, there they are. This is what we've all been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen. This is what we've all been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen. It's the Nike Cortez. It seems Kendrick Lamar has really taken a liking to the Cortez. The Cortez is a very popular shoe. It has been made very popular in LA culture as well. For whatever reason, I mean, it is named after after Cortez, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going to speak too much on these. I'll go way more in depth in the review, but you can check it out. Black and red. It's got a little stripe saying bet it back on the tongue. Now, most Cortezes I've seen are usually made with leather. These ones seem to be made with some form of nylon mesh or like ballistic mesh, and a patch of suede on the toe box. Very subtle, very neat, subtle touches, and I think they're really cool. There's that Chinese text on the toe again. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like or subscribe button. What did you guys think about the Kendrick Lamar TDE pop-up? What did you think about the merch? Let me know. Do you think it was wild, or do you think it was a disappointment? How do you think they should handle these lines, if there's a problem, if there isn't? Are you a Kendrick fan and love these shoes, or are you a Kendrick fan and don't love these shoes? Let me know all of that in the comments. That's all I have for you today. Catch you later. Picsoleated is running from the Po. Not really.